Today is your audition, sir.
Okay.
You may proceed.
All right.
Don't suck.
And shut up.
Shut your big yapper!
All right, guys, and welcome back to our channel. Okay, Supra update video.
I got it.
We've gotten a lot of comments about where we stand on the update for the Supra build, and today we're going to go over that with you in detail. Hi, guys, and thanks. I don't want to say hi, guys. All right, guys, today is an important day. We're finally going to give you guys an update. Nah, I don't like saying that either, so cut. Yep. Shut up, Alex. I'm going to punch you, stupid.
Shut up, idiot!
You have to open your eyes wider, man. There you go! Yeah!
Damn, I'm going to pass out. A big part of a big piece of the puzzle. No, I don't even like using those words. Those are your words.
Take your words back.
Take your words. You take your words and you get in that truck and you drive them out of here.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
I think he's doing that on purpose. Now, we have a, oh my God.
Meat slap.
I have to poop. Okay. One of the biggest things we've been waiting for are the wheels, and the wheels have finally come back, and Alex has just ran into the warehouse to grab them. He picked them up the other day. Let's show them off to you guys.
I'm coming.
Dude.
It is 10 a.m. Got the call from Jamie last night that the wheels were gonna be ready to pick up, so I'm here. He said go ahead and go inside, talk to Jack, and pick them up. So I brought the Racer's Edge truck with me, and we're gonna go ahead, get inside the VR wheels and pick these things up. So I've got all the wheels loaded up here behind me. All the new lips and barrels are installed. We're taking all the old stuff with us in case we need it for any other future project. But dang, these lips look so good. All right, let's head back to the shop.
All right, so as you can see, and what?
Action.
Oh.
As you can see, I didn't really drop the real wheels. Those were the old lips and barrels. These are them in the proper fitted spec for the car. It's a 6-inch barrel with a 4-inch lip, and the faces are now fitted inside. And thanks to the guys over at VR Wheels, Jamie, Jack, and their whole crew, they got this done in a 24-hour turnaround once the barrels came in.
That was the problem, waiting for the barrels. It took 8 weeks for the barrels to show up. How's your ass, by the way? Did you fall on your back?
My shin, my ass, my palms.
Your paws.
Palms. My paws. My paws.
Next, I want to talk just briefly about the bumper. I was about ready to just completely do a bumper delete altogether and go full drift, you know, crash bar style, you know, movie car Supra, because this bumper was just kicking my ass. Countless hours of labor to perfect it. Joe has done an amazing job getting it to the point where it looks like it should. And of course, you know, Martine had to, you notice that? Finally feel like it looks exactly like the movie car bumper. Stay tuned. In the next video, you're gonna see this car in its beautiful Aranciio Atlas. Aranciio Atlas.
Sweet.
Aranciio Atlas.
Is it Aranciio Atlas Pearl?
Jesus Christ. Just call it Lamborghini Orange.
Aranciio.
Aranciio Atlas.
Or you can just call it Lamborghini.
Aranciio
Atlas Pearl.
But you said it different.
Aranciio.
Oh, it was the
Aranciio.
Atlas. Micah. Aranciio. More flair, more flair. All right, guys, so stay tuned for the next video. You will see this thing in its beautiful Atlas.
Lamborghini Orange.
This material that we bought, this oh shit, help me say it. Aranciio Atlas Mica.
That is correct.
That's the color. It's not just Lamborghini orange, but it is a beautiful name.